Are you looking to start investing but you don't know where to begin? You're not alone. Many beginners feel overwhelmed when they think about investing, but it doesn't have to be hard. Now, this guide is going to help you understand the best way to get started, even if you're new to the world of investments. I'll tell you one thing though, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, but I got some good things to tell you. So, first thing, investing is a great way to grow your money over time. But it's important to make the smart choices, especially as a beginner. So here are some simple and effective investment options to consider. Okay, so number one, start with stocks. Stocks could be an easy way to get into investing. Okay, buying shares in companies that you believe could grow your money over time, like Apple or Microsoft. There's even like index funds. This is the second thing. These are great for beginners because they spread your investments across many companies, across many, it reduces many risks. Okay. Number three is bonds. Okay. Look into bonds. They're like loans, which you give to the government or companies, and they pay you back with interest over time. Number four is real estate. If you have enough savings, investing in property could be a smart choice, especially as a long-term investment. I would rather do investments in stocks. And then there's retirement accounts, like contributing to retirement plans like 401ks, like IRAs, can really help you to secure your future while you're saving on taxes. So remember that the best investment is one that matches your goals and your risk tolerance. So take time to learn and to choose wisely. And if you like these suggestions, leave me a like. I love you.